The timeless journey through Japan's history. Imagine a place where ancient warriors once roamed and ultra-modern skylines now rise. Japan blends past and present like no other. From the echoes of samurai swords to the hum of robots, this nation tells a tale of time, resilience, and endless innovation. Step into the age of samurai, a time of honor, courage, and discipline. Under powerful shoguns, feudal Japan thrived and shaped a unique, vibrant culture. Castles, traditions, and values from this era still leave travelers enchanted as they walk through Japan's historic towns. In the late 19th century, the Meiji Restoration unlocked Japan's modern potential. Emerging from isolation, Japan embraced change, fusing Western advancements with its deep-rooted traditions. This pivotal moment set the stage for the nation's meteoric rise to global prominence. Breathe in Japan's spiritual essence through the serenity of Shinto shrines and Buddhist temples. Witness its resilience as it rebuilt from the ashes of World War II, transforming into a technological and cultural force admired worldwide, all while preserving its soul. Every street in Japan whispers stories of the past and promises of the future. Are you ready to uncover them? Pack your bags, trace the samurai's footsteps, marvel at glowing cities, and let Japan inspire you. Your extraordinary journey starts here. Embrace it today.